Welcome back to Fit Me Recipes once again. Today I am sharing protein packed soya pulao recipe. This pulao can be enjoyed without any guilt in your lunch or dinner. Without any further delay, let's get to the recipe. In a bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of brown rice. Brown rice is a complex carbohydrate rich in fiber and having low glycemic index. Next, I am adding water. Only this step you have to remind yourself in night, otherwise the pulao is so simple to make. Next day, I am adding 15 grams of soya chunks. Don't worry, you can consume soya chunks as the caption shows. Turn on the flame, then add your pot. I am adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. The mustard oil is wood pressed. The pots I am using is made up of clay, which is 100% natural. Next, when the oil is cooked, I am adding 1 chopped onion. Make sure that the oil is nicely cooked. Saute the onions until translucent. Next, I am adding half inch of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of whole garam masala. Saute all it nicely until the aroma comes to your whole home. Now adding 3 green chilies. I'm not using any red chili. And add 1 chopped tomato. Saute it until it becomes soft and nicely cooked. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now adding rock salt as per your taste. I am adding 2 tablespoons. One is shows in the video and other one I am adding after. So see how look it's beautiful. Now drain the rice. The reason I am soaking because it reduces phytates. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors. Drain them and add your soya chunks into your gravy. Nicely mixed all the ingredients. Then add your soaked rice. Soaked rice can be easily assimilate in your body. Add about 500 of water and cover it and cook it for about 25 minutes or as per your need. Oh, I am forgetting to add coriander and squeezing lemon. Squeeze half lemon directly into this pot to increase its taste to the next level, and add also some fresh coriander leaves. Cover the lid and after 25 minutes our healthy, protein packed, guilt free, one pot, nutritious but also delicious soya pulao is ready. Serve it warm as my advice, and look how it beautiful. This soya pulao is tasty, satisfying, wholesome and protein packed. So do add this pulao and enjoy it without any guilt. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such healthy and nutritious recipe. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.